Here's the truth about Arizona real estate. Home values have skyrocketed and interest rates went up. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, you're probably feeling this. It probably feels really hard to go out and just find a good deal, something that you can actually afford, that you like, and you can see your family growing up and living in. Well, I've solved that problem because I found this property for you. This is an amazing townhome, really cool location. It's gated, it's clean, it's safe. It has a 2-car garage, upgraded kitchen. Not only that, this property is super affordable and it comes with a low interest rate. And I can't wait to show you this because finally something that's affordable, clean, it makes sense, and it's a good buy. If you want to take a look, come on, follow me. Location on this townhome is prime. It's in North Phoenix. It's about 15 minutes from Scottsdale, a few minutes from the 101, and the best part's right down the street from Costco. You can't beat that. So if this sounds like it could be your next home, don't wait. You know what to do. Drop me a comment, shoot me a DM, call or text. I will schedule your private showing, get you in here, show you how to get an amazing deal, a low interest rate, and of course, a great deal on your next home purchase. Come on, let's go check it out.